What's up everyone and welcome to the club. Today we're creating a sketch illustration of a T-Rex. Let's begin by adding some guidelines to help with the balance and symmetry of our drawing. We're going to start by sketching a line coming down the middle, starting from the very top. Just going to lightly work my way down towards the bottom using these short lines. Now we're going to move to the center. Let's add another line going across from left to right. Now we start by placing the eye along the center line and working our way out. So from the middle, let's move up to right about here, draw a circle. Just going to roughly sketch this in, just to capture the size. Now I'm going to draw a smaller circle in the middle. Let's go over towards the left side and go straight across towards the left side of our page. Let's go to the left side of that eye, draw a straight angle line coming down towards that center point. Now I want to curve the top of the beak, so we're going to follow this all the way out to right about here, bend this out, and then down towards that line. Let's add some shape to the mouth. We're going to start by curving this down. Now let's bend this up across that line, and then go back out. Now it's going to work our way up towards the corner of the mouth. We're going to go up, go out. Now this is going to blend into the seam of the neck, so we're going to come down and then out. Let's open up the jaw. So starting from the top of this curve, we're going to come across and then down toward the center line. Bend this out towards the end, to right about there. Let's flatten off the chin with a straight angled line. Curve this out and up towards the middle. Now it's going to build out the jaw. We're going to go out, round out the jaw, and go back up towards the top. Underneath the jaw, we're going to draw the neck. We're going to draw a straight line going out towards the right. Now let's build up the head. We're going to start from the top of the eye, bump this up, and then come down towards the side. I'm just going to slope this down and then out across the neck. Now that we have the basic shape of the head, let's go back and erase some of these guidelines. Now we're going to be using this rough sketch as a guide to help us layer on some more detail and refine the shapes. Now I always like to start back at the eyes. Let's start from the left side of that center circle. It's going to add the brow, just going across the eye and up. And then from here it's going to work our way around the eye, adding some wrinkles. Let's go across the top, add a fold across the bottom. Just going around the eye. Now on the middle, let's draw a small black dot for the pupil. Let's work our way around the eye. So this larger circle will be the fold of the brow. Just want to add some more shape, going around, coming down the side. Let's add a bump across the top of the head, going up and then down. Now from here, it's going to work our way across the beak. Let's start from the side of the brow. It's going to slope this across. Just going to bring this down a little bit lower. Now on the back side, we're just going to add a little bump for the nostril. Just come down towards the mouth, round that out. And then from here, we're just going to work our way back across the edge of the mouth. Now along the edge, I'm just going to add some folds and wrinkles. Just going to work our way up towards the corner of the mouth. And across that seam. Now we're going to go back and add some wrinkles across the bottom edge of the jaw. Also adding a little bit more shape. So we're just going to bend this around. Just going to add some folds across the end, along the top, and just take out that sharp point. Just going to add some wrinkles across the neck. Now I'm just going to add some bumps across the top of the head. Just following that curve that we created. And we're going to go back and add some more detail inside the mouth. Let's start with that cartilage around the corner of the mouth. Just going to add a curve. And then from here, we're going to add the tongue. We're going to come out, come down and up. Let's add that point. Just trace the tongue along the bottom. Let's go back and add some teeth. And these points. We can also vary the size and the angle and work our way towards the corner of the mouth. add the teeth across the bottom. Add a seam across the beak. Now we want to draw the underside of the mouth, so we're just going to trace this across, just following that same curve, and that cartilage across the back in behind the tongue. So we just want to see the silhouette edge and add some points across the back for the teeth. We're also going to add some teeth across the back along the bottom of the jaw. Now I'm going to go back and do one final cleanup before I add some more details and shading. Now I'm going to switch to my 0.9mm pencil and start adding some contrast. So I'm going to start back at the eyes. We can refine the shape and add some more folds and detail as we go. From the eyes, we're just going to work our way around. Again, just following those same steps. Now along the top, we're going to add some scales. Go up. I'm just going to overlap these, working our way out towards the end. I want to darken up the back side of the mouth, including the teeth. So we're just pushing this into a silhouette. And this will help give our drawing some depth. And then we're going to darken up the bottom of the tongue and then fade that up. So this is going to touch the highlight along the top of the tongue. And the light source is actually coming from the top of our character coming across. So the shadows will sit along the opposite end. Also darken up the back. Now I want to move to the side edge of my 2mm pencil and add some shadows. So I'm going to start back at the eyes. We want to darken up the socket. Also the base of the muzzle going across, and then fade that up towards the highlight. Now this is the base shadow layer. We're going to come back and add some more details after. the shadows, I also want to just stretch the flesh over towards the back. Just taking those wrinkles and just stretching them across, and then just fading that out. Now I'm going to go back and just clean up those wrinkles and details. I'm going to go back and add some more cracks and wrinkles. Just going to add some texture inside the jaw with these little circles. Just going to place these in random areas. I'm just going to go back and enhance some of those shadows. A little bit more detail inside with some saliva going across the tongue. I'm just going to finish off a little bit more detail and shading, and always be sure to sign my artwork, and that's pretty much it. There's a sketch illustration of a T-Rex. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you do, please be sure to subscribe for more videos each week where I'll show and draw different things just like this. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.